So I'm just sitting here doing my hair right now, guys. I'm like at the last little section. Your girl's at the last section. It's looking like not that good right now, but I'm gonna get it together, y'all, I promise.
Exactly, I call it BDP.
I'm gonna be honest with y'all though, I'm tired of doing my hair. Ignore my edges because I'm gonna get them together later. But I'm tired of doing my hair, y'all. I've been doing it for I think like 4, pushing 5 hours. Like, and on top of that, I made tacos and I burnt the ground beef. Like, I cooked it, it was good. I put it in the tacos and then I just forgot to turn it off. And I could have sworn I heard sizzling, but I was watching YouTube, so I wasn't really sure if I heard sizzling on the stove. Then I go in the kitchen to get some water and I just hear sizzling and I'm like, oh my gosh, bro, I left the eye on. Like, I'm literally so thrown right now because I just literally paid like $6 for ground beef. Like, that pack was $6. But it's cool. Tomorrow I'm going to church again. If y'all saw my last video, y'all know I've been trying to go to church every week. Or, I don't know if I said that, but I'm saying it now. I'm trying to go to church every week. I'm using this Shiny Jam. It's barely any left. I have the same hoodie on from last video because I own a washing machine. Just in case y'all were curious about that. Anyways, I'm on my last little parts chat. I love saying chat, and I don't stream. But let's talk about it. I want to stream. Like, I low-key want to stream a little bit, but, like, I'm not sure if I should. Do I look cute, though? Like, ignore this part, but do I look cute? I don't know. I feel like I look good. I look better in person, bro. People always tell me that. People tell me I look better in person, which is, like, actually such a compliment. Thanks, guys. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I'm about to go to the gym. Yeah, about to brush my teeth, wash my face, and go to the gym.
I promise you that you'll never meet another person as mentally tough as you in your entire life. And he hasn't, and he never will.
After washing my face, I always go in with this 100% almond oil, and I'm pretty sure I got this from like the beauty supply store, like Whole Foods, or you could do grapeseed oil or coconut. It really doesn't matter. I just try to use like 100% oil, not vegetable oil though. Olive oil is kind of thick, so I wouldn't suggest that. I just put some on my lips. That's my lip gloss that I'm gonna throw on, and then I'm gonna pick up my workout outfit. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pick my little workout outfit. I got some stuff to choose from over here. I think I'm gonna just snag these gray sweats. I'm gonna actually just throw these on right now. Oh, I gotta put shorts on first. I like to put these on under my sweats when I go work out, because I feel like it just gives like a more of a workout feel. I don't know, because I wear sweats so much, to be honest, that like if I'm not wearing these under it, then it don't feel like I'm really working out. Like, I feel like I work out better when I got, that probably sounds so weird and delusional, but whatever, it's my life, so that's what I'm finna do. I actually went to the gym yesterday with my uncle and worked out, so I'm really just trying to like just really stay on that wave. I'm about to take my clothes off on camera. I'm crazy. I'm forgetting y'all here, low-key. And then I'm gonna just go in with this with this black shirt right quick. I'll put a hoodie too. These are mostly my hoodies right here. I really have a lot more hoodies than this, like a ton more, but I don't know where they're all at. So I think I'm gonna just do. Takes too long to decide what I'm gonna wear. I can wear any color really. I'm gonna do this purple one. And then just about to put my hair in a whole ponytail right now. Should I put it in a high ponytail? Cause I be doing ab workouts. I'm gonna put it in a high ponytail. Reading through 1 Samuel. I'm at chapter 7 right now. So that's what I've been reading. And honestly, it's a really good, like, it's interesting. Like, I don't know, it's stuff now about the perspective that I didn't, like, understand when I was younger or get. Because I've read 1 Samuel before and 2nd. But now I just feel like it's a lot of stuff that I'm understanding better now that I didn't understand when I was younger.
Aye, Madenko. I think that's the one, you know.
Hey y'all, I'm back in the house. I realize why my hair looks so crazy. It's because my edge is not done. I didn't lay them or nothing, but I was going to the gym and it's not a fashion show. So, that part. I'm about to drink a lot of water. Actually, I'm going to grab a cup. I'm going to drink a ton of water and then I'm going to show you how I make my protein smoothies or like smoothies for after the gym. Alright, so the ingredients I use for smoothie is milk. I use almond and not soy because it's better for women. That's what my mom told me. The peanut butter is over y'all head. I used to have Skippy, but any peanut butter is good. I got this one from Target. I love creamy peanut butter. That's the one I like. I don't like the crunchy jumps. And I'm gonna do mango today. And I'm gonna throw in some strawberries, and both of these I got from Target as well. I had these drinks for a minute, like a smooth minute. So y'all don't need to buy a whole bunch of fruit, because I mean it's just me, you know what I'm saying, drinking it or whatever. So I don't think I ever made a smoothie for anybody else in this house. And I have this $20 smoothie maker, so I don't even got a Ninja, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, I just dropped the cord in water. Oops. I have been electrocuted before and that junk hurts. Like, it does not feel pleasant at all. So, and then I actually throw in a little bit of vanilla extract, and I do some more stuff over your head, and I do cinnamon, just a tad, and I have nutmeg too, but I put a little nutmeg in as well, and allspice is good too, y'all. I like allspice a lot. I just don't. Okay, cool. So I usually just start with the milk. I pour a decent bit in. I don't really measure, y'all. I just kind of do like what I think is good, you know. I just eye it for real. Then I pick out my strawberries, cause I don't want bananas in this one. I just want strawberries and mango. So I'm gonna just throw that in. I'm gonna throw in a tad bit of vanilla extract. You don't have to overdo this. Yesterday I overdid it, but you really don't have to overdo it. Like that was even too much. Then I'm gonna do some peanut butter. I like to do a good amount of peanut butter. I really like peanut butter, so I do a generous amount of peanut butter. I mean, I do a generous amount. Like, y'all see how much I'm putting? I'm really generous with the peanut butter. I'll eat peanut butter out of the jar, not gonna lie. Like, I really do like peanut butter very bad. And I'm gonna just eat the rest off the spoon. Peanut butter is slap. I was thinking the other day, what if I was allergic to peanuts? That would be sick. I'm about to do some more stretches because my legs hurt really bad, and like I feel like they shouldn't be this sore. So I need to like stretch them out more just so that they don't feel that sore. So I'm just gonna do some like more stretches right now. I wanted to watch Catch Me If You Can with Leonardo DiCaprio, bro. That movie is so T. Like that's a good movie, bro. Basically, it was him like scheming his way into like being a pilot, being a surgeon. He was like scheming his way, I think, into working banks, and he was basically just accumulating a whole bunch of money, from like the ages of 17 to like 21, I think. And he literally like would just read a book and like copy somebody else. It just shows you that a lot of what you do is just about confidence. Like if you exude confidence, people like actually will genuinely believe you. Like I've told people stuff, and like because I told them with like a confident spirit, they really believe me. And then I'll be, oh no, I'm just joking, I'm just playing. But if you have confidence, bro, you can get very far in life. So that, I wanted to watch that, but it's on like Paramount Plus. I'm not adding another subscription right now. I'm not doing that. I'm about to watch this show. It's called The Book of Negroes. I love a slave show. Like people that's incarcerated or people that were like enslaved are so strong, and like it gives me so much hope, about like the life I can achieve. Cause like if they were able to achieve a good life and contribute to society and get free, like I can do that. So I don't know. I just love like I love. I don't know. That's probably weird to say, but I do.
Land, and in Bayo, my father was among a few convicts.
Seems like you